What's up guys, last year Huawei launched its Mate 10 and Mate 10 Pro, which was amazing devices of Huawei, and after that Huawei announced its P20 family and they changed the camera game with this Leica's triple camera lenses, and now Huawei is gearing up to launch its next flagship Huawei Mate 20. Huawei is expected to officially introduce the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro sometime in October. It was recently revealed that the Mate 20 Pro may sport a huge 6.9-inch OLED display supplied by Samsung. The alleged Mate 20 leaked image along with a sketch gives us a clear idea of what the Huawei Mate 20 will look like. The picture first showed up on Chinese websites, and it reveals that the Mate 20 with very slim bezels and a display that curves to the sides. The quality of leaked image is just average, so we can't see everything clearly, but it is sufficient enough to give us an insight into what the phone will look like. The Mate 20 will have thin bezels at the top and the bottom, and the image also shows that the borders on the left and right sides of the smartphone are almost non-existent because of its curved glass applied on top of the display. Apart from this, a factory blueprint CAD render was also leaked. The CAD render shows a device with really slim borders and a tall display with round edges. Huawei logo is also present at the front of the smartphone, and at the top here is dual front-facing camera or a 3D facial recognition like iPhone 10, because as you can see the difference, so I'm pretty confused that it will become with 3D Face ID like iPhone 10. The factory blueprint also shows the back of the handset with a vertical triple camera setup. Now some people are saying that it's not a third camera sensor, it's a fingerprint sensor, so I want to say that it's not a fingerprint sensor because as you can see the third hole is same like the other two holes. So yeah, I think it's not a fingerprint sensor, but let me know what you guys think about it. As far as the specs, we know that the Mate 20 will be fueled by Kirin 980, Huawei's first 7nm FinFET processor, and it is expected to become a reality in the coming months. And the leaks and rumors are expected to start dropping hard in the coming weeks, so make sure to subscribe for that. And don't forget to comment below what you guys think about the in-display fingerprint sensor and its 3D facial recognition. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.